Today we will see while loop in JavaScript. First we will see how while loop works with the help of flowchart. This is the flowchart of while loop. Here the starting of the program, then there is the condition in the while loop. If the condition in the while loop becomes true, then code block or statements in the while loop executed. Then again testing of the condition in the while loop takes place, and if the condition in the while loop again becomes true, then again code block or statements in the while loop will be executed. Again checking of the condition in the while loop takes place. If the condition becomes false, now in this case the loop terminates and program will end. Syntax of while loop: while condition, then in brackets code to be executed or statements or body of loop. Let's see while loop with the practical example. First we have taken variable I and initialized to 0. Now we have taken while loop, and here we are checking the condition value of I less than 5. Here with this statement value of I will be printed. I will increase by 1. Here first we have initialized I to 0. So initially value of I is equal to 0. Then 0 is less than 5. With this statement value of I will print. So I is equal to 0. Then I increment by 1. So value of I, which is 0, now becomes 1. Here 1 is less than 5. Then I is equal to 1 will be printed. Then value of I will become 2 now. Then 2 less than 5, condition becomes true. So I is equal to 2 will be printed. Then I becomes 3 now. Then 3 is less than 5. The condition becomes true. So I is equal to 3 will be printed. Here I becomes 4. 4 is less than 5. Then I is equal to 4 will be printed. Now I becomes 5. Then 5 less than 5. Condition become false and program will terminate. While loop example, value of I is equal to 0, then I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, I is equal to 4. If we give here 1, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, I is equal to 4. We want 5 also, then 5, I is less than or equal to 5. I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, I is equal to 4, I is equal to 5. We can increment the value of I like this. I is equal to I plus 1. We can increment the value of I by 1 in this way also. We can see the same result. If we want to increase the value with 2, then here we can give 2. Here now I is equal to 1, then I is equal to 3, I is equal to 5. If we comment this, I's value never becomes 5, and so in this way the loop will becomes infinite. If we see here, now every time I's value becomes 1, the program will go into infinite loop. So while writing the while loop, we should take care that the program will not go into infinite loop. So that's all for while loop in JavaScript. Thanks for watching.